who is the most merciful, the most beneficial, and the creator of all cosmos. This is me, Hafiz Muhammad Ataullah, along with Muhammad from Department of Telecommunication Engineering, University of Sindh. Our idea is an effective and defensive technical approach of 5G for IoT and cloud computing networks. Next, please. So basically, a 5G or 4.0 evolution network will be characterized by some attenuation like low latency, improved throughput, low transmit receive power, and other consequently improved quality of service. So, due to SDN and network slicing, new cybersecurity threat vectors are introduced. In this regards, we will cover cybersecurity evolution and migration for future wireless networks, 5G for IoT and cloud computing networks, so that our main objective are to research on cybersecurity risk management models, framework, roadmap with encryption algorithms of wireless networks, and access control model. Then to develop two MATLAB applications, one that find the characters of like password or login and implement minimum login requirements, and other is that generate monk password to ensure password hardening with monitoring. Next slide, please. Okay, so there are three basic innovations for this idea. Number one is cybersecurity research on SDLC, risk management models, GDPR, monk password with MATLAB, right? So, and second one is 5G IoT cybersecurity and cloud computing network security concern and like countermeasures with focus on SDN and virtualization security. And third one is penetration testing, social engineering, and test with Kali Linux for wireless networks like ethical hacking, right? So architecture based on like GNS3 and Python and MATLAB. Next slide. Methodology or implementation. So basically implementation is based on three phases, which one is research phase, then application development phase, and finally simulation phase, right? So in research phase, we have to carry out research on cybersecurity risk management models, frameworks, and roadmap with the attack history, statistics, and their impact. Then in the application development phase, we develop a pin hardening and character substitution on login pages for cloud and IoT APIs with MATLAB as well as the Python, as can be displayed on the screen. Next, please. And in final phase, we have to simulate the security network architecture using GNS3 to demonstrate the honeypots, DMZ firewalls, VPNs, VLANs, and for the purpose of securing network would be used IDS and IPs. Then Wireshark will be used as a security monitoring tool for the network monitoring. Next, please.
Mr. Ataullah, you are left only 1 minute, yes, please.
Okay. As per our conclusion, there are three potential impacts of 5G and security or marketing. So first one is 5G and IoT combined can be through real-time ads, so that you can buy based on your historical data and compass. With the next one, the marketers can experiment more with technology, the customer. And the last but not least is CX services. Next, please, future modification. Next slide. Okay, as we discussed earlier, 5G will use mobile clouds, SDN and NFC to meet the challenges of massive connectivity, feasibility and cost. However, due to the limitation standalone and integrated deployment of these technologies in 5G. So basically 5G technologies and services, while considering these technologies right from the initial design phases to the deployment, will minimize the likelihood for potential security and privacy lapses. Next slide, please. Here is the complete references for this particular research-based idea. Next, please. So finally, that brings up to the end. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. And if you have any query regarding our presentation, you may ask please.